All right, time for a demo video for a 1946. Yep, Smith Corona, not Smith Corona, holy smokes. This is a Royal Quiet Deluxe. 1946, has the original glass keys. It's got the matte black, like the black crinkle finish. Got to snap that down all the way for you there. And it looks really, really good. So we're gonna do, I don't see any even scratches or anything on the exterior on this, which is amazing. So now I'm just gonna do a typing demo. I'm just gonna type on it so you can see how it works, but I do recommend watching the tutorial video I've created that's you can find on my YouTube channel. And you will find it posted in the product listing as well. So let's go ahead and get started. 1946 Royal Quiet Deluxe, awesome. And I do recommend a 6-month warranty if just for a little bit of extra peace of mind. We have that available as an add-on. Without the warranty, the sale is final. And then the other thing is these non-slip typewriter pads that we have made for us are just fantastic. One, they protect your table. They'll dampen the sound just a little bit, and then they also keep your typewriter from sliding. Let's try the caps lock. That bell is sounding really good. So this is going to be a 10 CPI typeface. It's an elite. I'm sorry, not elite. It's a Pica. Pica is 10 CPI characters per inch. Okay, I've been typing in red. Let's try black. Sorry, my pinky is really weak, and so I struggle with getting a full imprint with keys that I use my pinky on. Okay, really fantastic. Let's go over really quick and test the margin release. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, now it's gonna stop on me. Margin release, backspace, and it works really, really nice. So let me pull this out so you can see the font, and the photo is also gonna be there. It looks really, really good. Types perfectly. It is good for smaller hands. One, I'm standing up, and two, really my pinkies are just, I'm really having a hard time with my pinkies right now, so I just couldn't imprint. It has nothing to do with the typewriter. It has to do with the strength in my fingers. And there's finger exercises that you can do, which I just looked up so I could start strengthening my hands. So anyway, this is a great typewriter for those of you who have kids. You know, I always recommend like the newer, like the 60s and 70s electrics, but I get a lot of parents who say, well, my child really wants an older one. They have an old soul. What do you recommend? This would be one that I would recommend. The kids would be able to handle this quite well. All right, thanks so much for watching.